Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I'm coming at you with a card share video. This is a video for hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag sadmoremakes. For 2crafters1design, that's Melissa, who's Mo Creation. Lisa, you see I'm a diva. Gloria with Girliers Cards. Hashtag sadmoremakes is Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Design Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. So Jill likes you to craft all week and share your designs on Saturday morning. For 2crafters1design, they give you a prompt each week and ask you to create something using that prompt and share your creations on Saturday. And for 2crafters1design, the prompt this week, or last week, was ribbon. So I'm a little late, I'm a day short, but I'm here. So let me share with you what I used to create the 2 cards that I'm going to share with you. So first up, let's see, I used these Little Birdie handmade embellishment, these stickers. You can see I only have 2 left. I'm trying to use them all. And then from Spellbinders, I used Bebo Blooms, which is one of their super popular die sets, and I believe, I'm not sure if it's still on sale. I know it's on, I think it was on sale yesterday. And then for the ribbon, I used this cord ribbon here. And I guess it's really not ribbon, it's just cord. And then I used my all-time favorite, I don't know what I'm gonna do when I use the last roll ribbon that I got at Joann about, I don't know, 2, 3 years, no, 4 or 5 years ago. 6 years ago. So this is the Homemade for Holiday ribbon. I just adore this ribbon. I have another spool that I use, but I think it rolled under my desk because I can't reach it, and I'm not gonna ask my husband to get it right now because maybe because of the reason that it rolled under there, and I don't want to get it. I'll explain when I share the card. So here's the first card that I made, and this is with the Little Birdie sticker, and this is the ribbon I used. I cut the ribbon and to make that flag, swag or whatever, and then I used some from silver pearls from my stash. And when I completed the card, I was just like, man, that card is a tad bit ugly. That was my first thought. And then I thought, nah, it's not too bad. And then I thought, yeah, it's not my favorite. So anyway, I was just trying to think outside the box and use the ribbon differently. And I don't know, what do you think? Do you think it works? I think it's a bit much. But anyway, that's my first card. And so then I went a little bit safer with the second card using the Spellbinders Bebo Bloom die set, and I created this card. It kind of, when I chose the colors, I didn't really think that it kind of lends itself toward Christmas, but it does look a little Christmassy. And then when I put the ribbon down, I put it down a little crooked, and I'm thinking I can pull it up since I used glue tape, and looks like I can, so I can kind of adjust it a little bit maybe on camera here. I think that's a lot better. I don't know, I think that's a little better. Yeah, so these are my 2 cards, and let me know what you think below. And you want to check out everyone else who joined the hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag sadmoremakes. And I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.